Halmahera is the largest island in the Maluku province of Indonesia. It is located in the western part of the Pacific Ocean, within the Coral Triangle. Halmahera is known for its rich biodiversity, both in terrestrial and marine ecosystems. The island is home to several endangered species, including the Halmahera green pigeon. The island's landscape is predominantly mountainous and volcanic, offering stunning views and diverse terrains. Halmahera has a tropical rainforest climate, characterized by heavy rainfall and high humidity. The island is surrounded by many small islands, creating a complex marine environment. Halmahera was historically significant during the spice trade, attracting European traders. The island was colonized by the Portuguese in the 16th century, followed by the Dutch. Halmahera is culturally diverse, with various indigenous groups, languages, and traditions. The island is home to the Baoa people, who are known for their unique cultural practices. The local economy relies primarily on agriculture, fishing, and tourism. Cloves, nutmeg, and other spices are cultivated on Halmahera, contributing to its historical significance. The island is dotted with beautiful beaches, many of which remain untouched by mass tourism. Diving and snorkeling in Halmahera's waters reveal colorful coral reefs and abundant marine life. The island's volcanism is evident with several active volcanoes, with Gamalama being the most notable. Halmahera has a prominent mining industry, particularly for nickel and gold extraction. Traditional fishing and farming methods are still widely practiced among local communities. Cultural festivals celebrating local traditions are held throughout the year, showcasing music and dance. Halmahera's wildlife includes a variety of reptiles, amphibians, and bird species found nowhere else. The island is a birdwatcher's paradise, attracting enthusiasts from around the world. The Ternate and Tidore Islands, nearby Halmahera, also have significant historical backgrounds. The local cuisine features a fusion of indigenous ingredients and flavors, often spicy and aromatic. Halmahera is influenced by both Islamic and indigenous beliefs, creating a unique cultural blend. Many villages on Halmahera retain traditional longhouses, showcasing local architectural styles. The island is rich in historical artifacts, with sites of ancient stone carvings and burial grounds. Halmahera has a variety of ecosystems, including mangroves, coral reefs, and volcanic forests. The island's residents often engage in weaving and craft making, preserving traditional art forms. There are several nature reserves on the island aimed at protecting its unique biodiversity. Halmahera experiences significant geological activity due to its position on the Pacific Ring of Fire. The island's interior is less developed, providing a sense of adventure for those who explore it. Bird species unique to Halmahera include the black myna and the Halmahera monarch. The surrounding waters are known for their excellent opportunities for game fishing. Halmahera's flora includes rare orchids and other endemic plant species. The island has a vibrant community of artisans known for their intricate wood carving. Transportation within the island often relies on small boats, particularly for accessing remote areas. Halmahera has a small but growing tourism sector focused on ecotourism and adventure travel. The island hosts several hiking trails that lead to breathtaking viewpoints and waterfalls. Many areas of Halmahera remain relatively unexplored, offering opportunities for discovery. The local population engages in traditional baking, creating unique bread varieties using local ingredients. Halmahera's rich soil makes it ideal for cultivating various crops, including rice and coconuts. The island is also known for its geothermal springs, which are believed to have healing properties. Halmahera experiences a unique mix of cultural influences from surrounding islands and the mainland. The island features several unique music ensembles, playing traditional instruments like the tifa. Halmahera's marine life includes turtles, sharks, and many colorful reef fish. The island's traditional spices are often exported, reflecting its historical trade routes. Halmahera has a number of sacred sites and temples that are important to local spirituality. The island's biodiversity has attracted researchers studying climate change and conservation methods. Halmahera is often described as a hidden gem in Indonesia, largely unaffected by mass tourism. The island has several legendary tales and folklore that reflect its rich cultural heritage.